Okay, ready? Itty bitty baby, itty bitty baby, sleeping on the hay, sleeping on the hay. It is Jesus' birthday, it is Jesus' birthday, born on Christmas Day, born on Christmas Day. And our next song, Away in a Manger, we're actually just going to do the hand motions for it because sometimes kids prefer to move than to sing. So we're going to do the hand motions for Away in a Manger. So boys and girls, get ready to rock baby Jesus, okay? Are you ready? Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus lay down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. Good job. And for our last song, we're going to get ready to throw our Christmas wishes. Everybody, do you have your arms full of Christmas wishes? Ready? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Go find those moms today. There you go.